This is our industrial-grade UV DTF printer X3050DH double-head printer with max printing area 32 by 50 cm. Max printing thickness is 150 mm. We could use the rotary jig for printing cylinder, bottle or cup with this model. Here is the control area to control the print head and printing tray system. These two buttons is for controlling the printing tray forward or backward. These two buttons is for controlling the printing flatbed up and down. This model also include the vacuum flatbed for AB film printing.
To make the film very flat.
There is the white ink mixer installed on the ink tank system. This model using air cooling system for UV lamp, it will be much convenience and effective for cooling down the UV system. Now we could take a look at the printing processing from this printer. This industrial-grade UV model could print many kinds of products and materials, for example, all kinds of phone case, wood board, acrylic board, golf ball, different kinds of plastic, leather products, stone, metal, glass, and etc.